You are careful about what you eat. Most people are not careful at all about what they consume mentally, and it's costing them more than they realize. Hawkins demonstrated that every form, not just people, but books, music, films, news sources, social media content, emits a measurable energy field that calibrates on the map of consciousness. This is not a metaphor. It's a testable claim about the energetic quality of what you take in. The mechanism is straightforward. Extended exposure to content that calibrates below your own level tends to pull your calibration down. Extended exposure to content calibrating above your level tends to pull it up. This is why Hawkins attached such importance to environmental hygiene, not as spiritual fastidiousness, but as a practical recognition that you are always absorbing the fields around you. Some concrete examples from Hawkins' own published calibrations. Bach's music calibrates at 530. Classical composition at that level actively strengthens the energy field of most people. Certain modern music rooted in violence or degradation calibrates well below 200. The difference is not aesthetic preference. It's a measurable energetic effect. News media, on average, calibrates considerably below 200 because fear, outrage, and conflict are the primary emotional currencies of the modern news cycle. And those emotions calibrate at the lower end of the map. A daily diet of news is a daily dose of sub-200 energy, regardless of how intelligent the consumer is. I'm not suggesting withdrawal from the world. I'm suggesting deliberate audit. If you are serious about raising your calibration, the question is not only what practices you are doing, it is what you are consuming for hours each day that may be quietly undoing any good work you're doing. Calibrating your inputs, the books you read, the content you consume, the people you spend time with, is as important as calibrating yourself. I can help with both. Expert calibrations available at DennisEBradford.com. Link in the description. Be well.